Hi, my company's CFO wants me to plan and allocate the operating expenses at product level. We have two apps named Country and Product. Observe that our Country app holds two dimensions, region and country. On the contrary, our Product app shows six dimensions, including region and country, all the way till the product dimension. Hence, if we try to bring the last year's actual operating expense measure in the Product app, we notice blank cells for the uncommon dimensions. Let me show you how to handle this use case of multi-dimensional planning and allocation. In the Country app, let's create a measure. Name it Revenue Plan. Add a breakdown to include all the six dimensions which are present in the Product app. Retain the last year's actual revenue as our reference measure, and remove the last year's actual expense measure. Now we create our second measure. We name it Expense Plan and add the breakdown. Repeating the same steps, we include all the six dimensions and retain the same reference measure. To allow better visibility, let's hide the native measures. Now, in the Product app, we use the Data pane and insert both the measures, Revenue Plan and Expense Plan. Let's focus only on these two measures and hide the native measures. Switching back to the Country app, let's input $80 million as our total revenue plan, and then distribute this value by the weights of last year's actual revenue. Now, let's input $40 million as our total expense plan. When we move to the Product app, next step is to allocate the expense plan at product level by using the weights of revenue plan. Finally, we can create profitability measure with a simple formula: revenue plan minus expense plan. This gives us the expense allocation and profitability evaluation at the product level. Interestingly, any simulation made in one app is instantly reflected in the other. Microsoft Fabric can now look forward and think ahead.